Alright, so I am on my way to Lowe's to get stainless steel nuts, bolts, screws, and cotter pins. So stay tuned for more. Alright, so I just left, well, I'm getting ready to leave Lowe's. I just left the store. I'm out in the parking lot. I got all the stainless steel parts I need. My bill was $11.71. I thought it was going to be way more than that. I thought it was going to be at least 20 bucks, but couldn't beat it. I got the flat washers, the bolts, the nuts, the cotter pins, all for $11.71, and they're all stainless steel, so pretty cool. But I want to show you something. I'm going to flip this camera around. This is why I love shopping at Lowe's. There's two parking spots right up in the front, painted all purple, and it says veteran parking only. I absolutely love this, and this makes me want to shop here. Just the fact that they respect the United States American veterans. So I'm gonna flip this camera around and show you this. Check this out. Yeah, check this out. This is cool. Look, purple parking spot. Check out that sign. It says veteran parking only. That is so awesome. And they're painted purple. That makes me want to shop at Lowe's. I love that feature. That's so cool. They should do that everywhere.
Been a million places, I never see 'em in their faces.